What's up, guys? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking this bad boy for a ride. Where are you at? Over there? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you've seen the GoPro Max, and you've seen it on my channel, and you've seen it fall. We're taking the GoPro Max out today, and we're gonna hopefully not break it. As you've seen before, I use the Insta360 selfie stick, da-da-da, with the motorcycle kit on it. Yeah, and it's great, but it's 1 point. It's only a 1 point of mounting. So I got some of these. Yep, and I'll leave a link in the description below if this works, but they're heavy-duty Velcro straps. So hopefully I can use this to mount it on a street glide behind me and it won't fall down this time. So let's go take a look at how I'm gonna do that. So my normal mount is around here, and I may have actually chipped the powder coating on that. Oops. But we have a saddlebag guard here, and the thing comes over and rests against this, but then it slides down and falls off. Well, we're gonna try to avoid that with those Velcro straps. So let's get this thing mounted up, see what it looks like. All right, first things first, clamp this bad boy on here. As usual, I didn't read the instruction manual, but I don't think that's going anywhere. And you can see there's still a little bit of a gap right there between the selfie stick and the saddlebag lid. So it might move around a little bit, but this is fully extended. And when not in use, bam, close it up. I think that's pretty darn solid. And it'll go to there, it'll come to there. So wherever it wants to sit finally, tighten those down a little bit. That's not going to go far at all. Okay, and it should stay right about there. Even with the wind pushing it, it'll go to there. So I like that. That's pretty solid. All right, now let's get geared up and go for a ride. All right, before we get on the road, I have it set up here. You can see the selfie stick it's about helmet height when I'm riding. It goes up quite a bit further though. You can see it here, but you lose some of that rigidity. It wobbles a good bit. So let's bring that back down just an inch or so per section here. And now you can see it's a lot more stable. So I think that's the height I'm going to run with, but it's pretty neat. I like it. It's pretty stable there, and I think it's going to work out well. So while I'm waiting here at this light, has anybody tested one of these things besides me at 70 or 80 miles an hour? Because there's a racetrack I'd like to ride on that has no speed limit, and I would like to know if it's going to break off, because that's the one thing I worry about with the selfie stick, besides hitting the ground, of course, is actually the damn thing breaking in half and me losing the camera completely. So if anybody else has played around with one of these cameras, let me know in the comments below what you do.
Wrapped in different sheets. I'm fired up, sweating when I think of you. I'm on.
That's a nice sounding bike. All right, up periscope. Added another 6 or 8 inches there. I don't know, I'm a guy, I'm bad at measuring things. I think I'm going to change the name of this road. I'm going to petition the city to change it to Muncaster Proving Ground, because this seems to be where I do 80% of my testing. This and Avery. Maybe we can call it Avery Proving Grounds as well. But we went up periscope, full height, 4 foot in length, and it's now above my helmet. Oh yeah, it's a good foot above my helmet probably. Like I said, I'm bad at measuring. Most guys are. But we have got it way up, so we're going to see Muncaster Proving Ground. I'm going to start calling it that. We're going to see it from a new vantage point, really. And I checked, and the Velcro strap is holding on quite well. I'm very pleased with that. So like I said earlier, I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below if you want to pick these up, because they hold on. I've been riding around for 20 minutes or so, and I've hit quite a few bumps and speed bumps and stuff, and it hasn't gone anywhere. The only thing I might do is take the strap off and put a microfiber cloth between it and the saddlebag guard, just to prevent any extra wear on that guard. But really, I think it'll be fine. And those saddlebag guards aren't that expensive, and so I can replace them if need be, if they get all scratched up and rusty.
On my way down, they'll say that I'll never go back for you. I'm bad for you. Say nothing more. I'll fight and
Well, it looks like it holds on at the legal speed limit. You can't see me, but I'm winking right now. I generally don't like putting the 360 cam way up high or way out far if I'm going to be riding at like highway speed. So I tend to just put it on the fairing. But this will give me a great vantage point for doing like roadside stuff like this, where I'm riding close to the white line, but the camera is not sticking out that far. Right now it's probably over the white line or above it, you know, however you want to say it. But it's not crazy far out there. Like my favorite, oh my goodness, my favorite 360 cam shot is gotta be that side profile shot where it looks like somebody's riding a bike next to me. That's my favorite. But this is my second favorite because I can do stuff like this and give you a full 360 degree view of what's going on around me, which is neat. And there's nothing obscuring it because it's the highest point on the bike. So I think that's going to wrap up this test video. If you liked it, give it a like. If you checked out some of my other videos and you like those too, consider subscribing. Hopefully I've earned it by now. And until I see you again, keep the shiny side up. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Ta-da! Or should I say, ta-da! I love being a goofball. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, you want a bonus test? Who doesn't want bonus content? Check this out. Yeah, I brought that thing all the way down. I think that's going to be a neat camera shot. What do you think? Let's take a look. All right, what'd you think? Was that cool or what? Let's put it back up a little bit. This thing is so versatile. You know what? I'm gonna get off the bike to do this. It's probably safer. Hey, you know your old buddy John likes versatile mounts, right? And stable ones. Check this out. What's that you say? Another bonus test? Hell yeah! I love it. What do you think of that camera view? Does it look good? Uh-oh, bikers. Let's go make sure they're okay. You all right?
I'm all right.
Okay.
I just put the fuse in for the nap.
Oh, okay, cool. Just making sure.
No problem.
You're welcome. All right, he was okay. He's just putting a destination in the nav system. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the camera here. And that's gonna do it for bonus test.
I'm addicted to the taste of you. Your
All right, I was hoping that those two corners would be a little more exciting. And yes, while on the fly, I changed the camera height. That's a pretty cool benefit of having the Velcro strap on there, is I can adjust it while riding. Not recommended. I am a trained professional. Would you stop doing that, editor? I am a trained professional. Fine, I am not a trained professional, but I do play one on TV. Oh, come on, really? All right, fine. I'm an idiot motovlogger who likes doing stupid shit and hopefully not breaking his expensive camera gear. But happy now? Great.
I'm just a man with nothing left to lose. No. I'll fight until I'm black and blue, yeah. I'm just
How close does that Acura get to us, huh? Pretty damn close. Oh man, that dog did not like having me ride up alongside him, did he? Oh boy. And a special thanks to all my viewers that reached out and commented on my 360 fail video and the other ones, saying, hey, you need a more stable mount. I think this works. I've been riding around for over an hour now, and that camera hasn't budged. It's been staying right where I put it, bumps and everything.